What we want to know is how can I take it to my school? Yes? How can I take it to my school? How can I take it to my school to make my life easy if I am a school leader? How can I make my life easy if I'm a teacher? And how can I make my teacher's life easy? Is that what this means?
And even students, I just take it to the classroom. How can we make it usable in the classroom?
So
It means in all the stakeholders they get this.
right now, I don't know how to take it to the students. Right? The child, if they know nouns, then they can communicate better, right? So, can communicate better. Now we have all our, since we selected English, we have all our English grade 3 learning outcomes as per CBSE. Okay? And we try and map. So let's say we put this and now this.
Okay.
Which one? Yeah, this one, right? Great. Okay, so we put these 3 learning outcomes, and these 3 learning outcomes have been there. We don't want to edit it anywhere. How much time do you want to use in teaching nouns? How many classes? 3, let's say, or 2. 3, let's say 3, okay? And we say generate. Alright, so now you have a unit outline, you have the important questions, we put up the theme as climate, okay? So that's why it's giving the important questions based on that. You say students will be able to perform in role plays itself in English with appropriate expressions, because we also chose role plays as the learning outcome, okay? Potential understanding, then this you see, to create a skit demonstrating effective communication in different climates. Students will take on the role of characters in the skit. The skit will be performed for class and other teachers, situation, and skit that portrays effective communication in various situations, right? And this is what comes out, alright? And we can also regenerate it a little bit here. And all of this is actually built on top of Chatgpt. All of this is exactly what you were talking about, training, right? And here you also get questions. Right? You also get questions that you can ask in your question paper. You also get questions that you could put in the worksheets and various, and all of these questions you see here, multiple type of questions, and you can also see that the question is aligned with the learning outcome. So the learning outcomes are, and this is happened only by training Chatgpt. Because Chatgpt is being trained to align these two things, that is why this is happening. And the moment I say okay and generate session plan, it now starts generating every session ka plan. It is now generating the session 1 ka plan. Okay? And then it will start generating the session 2 ka plan. And you see exactly what happens is every teacher is thinking differently. Right? And every time you get different outputs, and you don't know whether it's the right output or not the right output. But exactly what the man used the right word to train Chatgpt. Correct? So if you as a school leader know how you're thinking, right? And if you can develop your own GPT, which is trained in the way you are thinking, and your teachers get access to that GPT, okay, the output that you get will exactly be the way that you want it.